Howdy folks, welcome to day 5, a nice and wet, rainy, muggy day 5 of the quarantine. I have absolutely zero motivation today. I'm not really tired, I got a lot of sleep, but I slept in till noon, so I've just been procrastinating on this ride. I'm gonna push myself to go, just to do something. I'm gonna be honest, I don't want to do anything today. My bike is still in the car, so I gotta go out there and survive in the rain for at least a minute or two while I put it together. But lucky for me, my car is right outside this door.
What's happening? The rain ride. I'm riding north right now. Whatever river this is very flooded, so I have to dodge puddles and pools of sitting water. A lot of it is dirty, so I can't see the bottom. Just gotta stay safe. There was a really nice hill, and now I'm headed back into town. Yeah. I'm feeling better now that I've actually gotten out. As my dad says, hardest part of the ride is just getting out the door. So, glad I did it. Finishing up here, just did 3 laps of the cobblestones in the Oregon district, and it was some good fun.
Made it home from the ride, everyone. It was a good time. Once my body kind of adjusted to the temperature, I felt like I could have gone for longer, but I'm happy with the work I did, especially the cobbles at the Oregon district. That made me happy. But now I'm gonna wash these clothes. Well, I'm gonna do a rinse then wash because there's mud all over the back. That's from riding through puddles. It just kicks dirt up into my back. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.